Thank you. Thank you so much. God bless you.
I need myself in a painting.
Don't worry, you will be there. You will be there.
I'm a piano here. I told you yesterday.
No problem.
Don't stop my piano. Don't stop you.
Thank you, brothers and sisters. This is Social Media President Eddie Murphy. I'm right here in Lagos. So we are still doing our normal business. I want everything to count so that we can move forward to go to Venezuela. But now we still have a lot of things to do. Thank you so much. My fans, my brothers, my family, my friends, God bless you all. This is Social Media President Eddie Murphy. I heard that you shared something. Well, the man, what is the name? Prince Okoro, I mean something like that. Prince Okoro, he spoke well. I don't have anything against him, but he has to ask questions. I learned that he's the husband to one of my sisters that live in Dortmund, in Düsseldorf. So because of that, I have to pity him. I know a prince have to stand like a prince. You're supposed to ask me a question before you go forward. But notwithstanding, I still pity you because you are a brother and you are a friend to me. You are everything to me. So no problem. Many people have mouth to say many things, but for me, Social Media President, I will fight for my rights. I will stand for my rights. I will do what I'm supposed to do. Edo is my proud. Edo State is my origin, where I'm from. So I will stand all mix to fight for my people. God bless Edo State, and God bless people that live there and people that travel out from Edo State. God bless you all. Great Edo State, great my people. So, brothers and sisters, you can share anything you like to share, but that will not delay my destiny. My destiny is good. Somebody can delay it, but you cannot stop it where it's going. You understand? So, destiny cannot be delayed. Thank you, brothers and sisters. This is Eddie Murphy, Edo Reality Top Show. Greeting to all my sisters in abroad. Greeting to all my mothers, my friends, my fans, all over in abroad. Thank you all. God bless you. Also, greeting to my Nigerian brothers and sisters. Greeting to Edo Idijin, home and award. God bless you. My topic today is nobody can delay my destiny. So the reason why I bring this topic is, you know, when we talk about social media president, many of you will now ask questions, said, who gave you this man social media president? Hello, my darling. Yo, what's up? It's okay. It's okay. Oh, Solomon, easy, me, go. Yeah, Bami yo geladian. Bami yo geladian. Bami yo mana, bami yo ladian. Osajayo bula. Osajayo ladiana. Oh, go Solomon. Jagi wene. Mabege niwe. O Solomon. Mine Solomon me the Bible. So problem here, me ya fe gbani. Motai. Okay, I trust. Yes, this is Ogogo Solomon. Ogogo Solomon. a woman of timber and caliber, a woman that understands, a woman who knows what's up, a woman that said yes and yes is confirmed. That's Ogogo for you. Anything like Ogogo is happy. Happiness. So that happiness will be in your home in Jesus' name forever and ever. So shall it be. If you are doing say, destiny, my destiny cannot be delayed. And I know where my sorrow agmona, Yama ni aguri agmo, Yama ni aguri, Yawaro keka, where he already agmone, Vino Gina, Wagakwe, Awekba. But agmono sabo nari, agmonanato, agmonana, ito, ugato, uriye, ibu nubie wagmo, uriye, eje, uriye sakmogodi, uriye abiona, uriye ya, oni agbonanato. Eso, weze to we aibe biona wo, o baba nyina hina, magari be ni Jesu. Mabege uwa ragmo, uwa tota, uwe ya hia yuna, we wa mo were, o no pa ne, we ti se obegego, we ti se goto. O no pa ne. We ya golon we se koto, we are leading uleka, ulotigbo, uleya, we wa oni. Why was a load of deku moto, motigedu, and the motigedu agboma, ijeme o, I merely. So Salobano Gimame body we need Jesus Christ no nyama. So Imanu Hono Sioma Koto, no we no magba, the by man of Tali by no ni allow. Near kwa allow what you and that way. If no man can way, una do you go, I got to talk way. Away we go give away. We go away, yes. If not, or wow, way, Ninimina Hill, we marry no yasun. We want la down, so I tell the Talibai. But all we were from Wahara. I will not view a way. I will not view any way. I will not view a way. With the mere way, or way. I tie for top. So, Salobano Lao. Okbiano Kuno. Eboyen Boma, Mountani, Ifu. And we wala diando vie e we madagwa yegbe we ye o omanania give no je nokpa e ma so ave la dian we gwan magbon e so ave la dian we gwan no makian we gwan no makian o salobo agewe but oni here we imi we mi dan ni gegbo egun e oku opa ti me wa okoni ye ti yunu kan o ti o ma pegbe na owe give me so near pass through the dark being. Oritalo, you move white or you wa. Been me 2-7, you might have a central, but in our when I get change. But so when I as a give away, Gewa Talova, or as of Talo, Unwega and Oralawa. Now, Riogata, or one are confusing in your mind. Away bought, and I do me women in meta or either soon. Was there or seeing no be alawa or seeing the pataki no be alawa, yet you say, Amami by you bo, ye may wear Yamukua, okay, I have been. You will Yamukua keka, or Tawukube Vone, only Kuvone, Waunai, Ikuwa Voinki Kiala one I Malaki, when was the get balloy. Imurio toto. Awa ezege mu kotin osin yi. Beni tebe de ke kula wa eya mweso ya de and design ya ko we eku ni wa da ko wa design yo. Ya go do ke ku ni e. Owin man ontin Osalobo ayi we mi pa dopa. De o ti na man ma se ni we o hello. Hello. Menai. Menon. Me for the wedding. Me for the way we Yoji. Yon. Wesi. Wesi J. Wesi. Oh wow, money gweja owa ipa. Onupoye. Obidwe wano a. Okay, but okpiani maya mare o. Okay, okpiani o. Okay, we no okpiani we dey gbe ti je no yin ya. No dupon ọdún ní òkú ní sister iji maniga like ọdọ of your do where you wa of your nonu bi oge je ga se upon ge se ha ene ma ọ̀ràwẹ̀ mú pọ̀ ní ọ̀tún ẹ̀rọ mọ́ ní lọ parí ayé ma Hollandis ene gera ha ene obeva de baweva ma ọ̀ràjọ ní ọ̀fọ́ ní ìyẹn rọ̀ mọ́ ma ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ ìmá ẹ̀ ìjà ẹ̀rùgbẹ̀jẹ́ à ou noreku ayari amo ou noreku awe eri oje a okay age ki no na bia yi ma so oga chi mi pona ona mi pona na wi ro mo ma wa wo be doje mere we tamare we okay afu amani di kopo mani de pini ma oni ese no wazo okay for your information again no team no there we kana igwe magwa rely again no team no do na we nyere a prison ona baba prison ye na but image court no are France no there awin wada we ese na ka mai nyina we no digwe no lerun na we na ga worry ga go boede awin wada we o mai save 10 minutes ema so na buyen gade nya buyen ade nya wo ni kie nya kie gate ni e we ni pa we na we wo sunu nai yen na te wo ni e gate di marela we baba awe megbe ni nya kie nya wo ni pa wo ti nya we yen ga pe kede ni ki pa yen wo ni na wo no e worry na we head the worry o we emi e ga ma so e dey always no there now alone. Na lao ibi edo ni mosi emi ya fe no sunu bagbona wetbowe ayibowe si wa yibowe si ne de kina magiewe una ya deyo emege no ni madiwa emege ni madiwa ya soto madiwa so atayo tare de ko ke jetie no se jetie when catch is stand animal egui why be say they just take light they just abeg Lagos lights and you lights hello phone no pani phone up and me yare life now, me ware life. So we got disturbed. I'm a body that you're on a mati. And you know, you know, yeah. Okay now, okay. Juliet, sweet baby, Obi, miam, sweet baby, Obi, miam, Natasha. Okay, you don't know it. They don't make your own, no. Okay. Okay. I still expect my food. And a special one. Okay, no worry. Restaurants in my I did. Now my destiny cannot be changed. Hello. Sister Mekoyo, you know you there. Come. About Starlink. This social media president wait you when I brother Starlink. Okay. Okay now. Jeff Mirror. That is my sweetheart. That is my sweetheart. My family. Once a million. EJ Poko. Juliet is also Canada base. I be me, I move me. I be me, I move me. I be me, I move me. I want no when you go with the house. Go swear or go. I be me, I move me. Oh, I'm more fair. I be with the house. I will go here. I will see ya supopo. I will hear swear. Emi rockba because Osalopo we niane. The great our wife, the wife unity. That is Juliet Idaosa. Ne, working pious. Irano migo one. Iran amigo or two Iran amigo. Or you book can go at Chigo when you know that way. It's a managing director company. One. Nije to ato degi wene. Even up if you will here, that way we got chat talk. Okpara biete degbe. Idioji. I have fair what say. I be me put music for me now. When I put music for me now. They don't take like finish. If not Nigerian music, all those Lamide, put a Lamide for your daddy. Come greet them now, come. This is Almo Yoruba. He say greet you now. Say because talk to them.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes.
I believe I'm one of the prominent person in Kogi State, but based in Lagos here. I'm a PRO of this Honorable Amak Sultan Garden, where our distinguished Honorable is now. Yes, we have seen a light on him, and he knows he's going to perform.
Yes.
That is why we from other states, we are supporting him because we are son of Cell of Edo, but we are neighboring state. We have been in Edo for over 100 years. Then our forefathers have been there. We have seen what this, our able brother, gentle guy to the core, our uncle can perform in Edo State, in his constituency. We don't want people to pick a wrong person. You can even see a homie from Kogi State now supporting, not only me per se, other dignities based in Abuja, because we are neighboring state, we know who can perform. And God so kind, he followed the right party, which is the leading party. APC. Please, I want you people to come in mass.
Yes.
Our voters card is very, very important.
Yes.
Don't sell your right.
Come on, vote for Denko.
Come and vote for Denko.
Denko International.
Denko International. It has been international for how many years?
Yes.
Which people understand.
Yes.
You want to come and impart that knowledge to give people empowerment, both the laymen and the able men and the farmers and all the rest. And we thank God is following the ruling party. Don't allow all those caricature party coming behind to deceive people. The article is not going anywhere because it's an armed robber. Buhari, who made it to be, who asked Oga to come today, he knows he's going to support Denko International. That is why all Kogians that are based in Edo State supporting him today. In conjunction with Oshomole, that's Babao. If you heard that Oshomole is not as bad, they are lying. Oshomole is behind him. He has raised his hand up. That is why we Kogians in Edo State are supporting both one in Lagos. You are going to see on the campaign aspect. You are going to see it will come out in mass in local in Ogako.
Yeah, just Southwest local government.
There's Southwest local government.
Yeah.
In Denko International Campaign 2019. I'm going to say, see you all. Thank you very much.
God bless you.
I still remain Shaibu, the former councillor of Kene Central, now in Edo, supporting the Denko International for campaign organization.
Thank you so much. God bless you. Brothers and sisters, there was a woman, a human trafficking woman that said, what is the name? Law Agwebo. The woman have been caught up with 3 women before in Italy. So he always deal. I know people behind those campaigning about what is wrong or what is bad or what is good, a good news. But people that always support social media president, those are the people that always have this heart of nothing like human trafficking. People that is not supporting them, supporting a Edo reality talk show, those are the people that is against this thing we are fighting for. But people that is then against Edo reality is those people who are involved in trafficking. We know them. So I just have to pray that trafficking people, please, it's hard time you have to stop. It's not good because when I come to this hotel, I met millions of people. They are here because this hotel have a club. Or has a club. Yesterday there was a lot of girls. A lot of girls. What they are doing, they are waiting for men just to take them home. Then I called them. Many also attempted and I said, please, I want to beg you people. Why are you all doing this? They say it's because of Nigeria's situation, that the president is not doing well. Even the governors, they are not doing well. I said, no. If the governor is not doing well, supposing I gave you 5,000 now, why can't you use 5,000 for something, to do something better? If it is just a small trade, orange, there are a lot of trade you have to start from somewhere. Before you know, things will come. You will find a man that will say, okay, I want to have you as a husband. Not by going from one, you don't know the one that is having disease. Try to stop all this. Many of them listen to me. I gave them little money. I shared 3,000 naira for these people. Just go home. I want you to go home. Respect your dignity. Respect your life. And many of them obey. But some of them say, Epa, I'm telling you, sir. Immediately I come to this party. Sometimes I take 15,000 home. Sometimes I take 10,000. Okay, what will you do with that 10,000? You have been coming here for many years now to take 10,000. What have you achieved with that 10,000? Tell me. This is how you are. Start from somewhere. If this human trafficking just come here and they just say, you want to go to abroad? You want to go to abroad? You want to go to abroad? Okay, all of you, come and pass through this way to abroad. Then when you get there, things will change. Is that a life? So these are the reasons why some of haters always say when they hear about social media president or Eddie Murphy, they will just came out. Eddie Murphy have done this. Eddie Murphy have done this. Eddie Murphy have done this. You can say with your mouth, You can say anything with your mouth, but you cannot delay my destiny. Hello? Hello? Good afternoon. How are you? Okay. Okay, somebody gave you my number. Okay. So what is your problem? Tell me. The problem is too much. So if the problem is too much, you have to start from one place to the end, because we are in live video now. I don't think it's a normal way for me to talk to you. But once I close, you can call me so that I can talk to you. Because for me, I have said something about you right now. I've said something about you because the way you speak, the way my body is telling me something to tell you. Yeah, you are passing some difficulties. Yeah, I know. Don't worry, things will go fine. You understand? Things will go fine. Just believe that, yes, with time, everything will be over. Okay. Call me in 30 minutes time, because I'll be off from the line. Thank you. God bless you. Yeah. So please, there was a woman yesterday that said, if I have to say something, please, because there are a lot of people always open their ear to see what is wrong with our sister or to see what is wrong with our brother. So because of that, I have to make it slow so that when the line is off, I can talk to someone. Because some people said, okay, I just hear that woman voice. So now Mama Caro just talk so. Hey, Mama Caro, now so the problem be. So we don't want to hear that one anymore. So, but if you want to do Thanksgiving about what God has done for you, then you are free, because I know. So, yeah, continue the music. Play nice music for me. Akoyo. Thank you, brothers and sisters. This is Eddie Murphy. I do reality top show. Oba Tokwe, he said. So, you that said you know our king. You know our king. So, the same thing likewise to me. I know my king. I respect my king. He's number one on the mountain of the whole universe. So please, if you know you are an enemy to your king, not our Oba, so you can prove that. But all Edo Idigen are slave to our Oba. So don't tell me that yes, you are more than the palace. You are not more than. Before you said you are more than the palace, that is, you are enemy to the palace. God bless you all. I love you all. We are all servants of the Oba. Oba Atokwe, he said. Baba we were correction now. So in my affair ni bero wa ayi mo gbe abi ahia. Awem na gbe ne ma de ne amofie ko. E na do we ko iku no ga ti we gani. Yereko. So the appointment we were the appointment in here. So are 2 o'clock in one. We had 2 so they will not tell me make another get closer. Yeah, very do me. So we prophesied near. If near we were. They are called Yahweh until it came so wa. And then I have here 2 to 1 of her. Thank you, God Frank Ben. God bless you. I'm not committed no magba why is it get me near he block now because the platform and an ITable. Oma I think the place wa we laari wa mo na ti le o to ya sewebo Oma keke me difficult no lawo there even akoche bona se yen we e boy mi ropa e dio we no amo gbogbo amuna gbo amoya gbo uye we like una laari Africa why you do you last ja we bonu we ti ropa ma you know here so we owo no ya mtie bo boy I can well la wo zagono ma me era me zagono ma me ije me zagono ma me eri no that is the police online Kenneth. So thank you all. You have anything to contribute? Okay. If you cool, but the music way they play, I don't like that. I don't play jazz, Nigeria jazz. But good afternoon, Kate Adobo. Yes. Juliet. Ami aussi. Agile mi aussi, hein. Don't worry about it. This evening, 7 o'clock, I will be on live video. So I'm going to talk to many people. I have some certain things to tell the world. By 7 o'clock this evening, I will be on live video. 7 o'clock this evening. So don't fail. Extend it to your friends, your brother, your sisters, your family. That by 7 o'clock this evening, social media president will be online. So I'm going to talk to some people direct from Lagos. So if you have my trip before I come to Nigeria or before I come to Benin, go and cut it and let me see how you stand. Benu mudi ya he. Benu meti ye. Gari ye do ya fien ani for. Now so ya we are already make a live video now. We are make so for camera ya fien. Now una we me da me dey ran what bo we are fien for. Yeah, Nigeria time. Osasogi, Saudi Arabia. Hello. Hey, we're here. Nyoje. Doyawo. Iso wa ne Ele ave do yawa wa fun egbe. Okay. Where? What kind? Unu emotu ya wa said na line. Amugo ya wa ya. Okay. Amugo ya wa ya. Imami jo me down. Now, Imami jo me down. Mami jo me down. Ijo wa down. Jo ya wa mo yin. Now. Ijo do. Ama ku ge. Ma ku ge. Ono le nu. Ku ge. Ma wa ku ge wa mi wo. akogie when na akogie on ami amigo amikpon akogie ma enu e go ajo yi ogie ndawe okagbo pan yuwa eme na amana tawe obien get as e bi eri ono Elizabeth Johnson, come out. Paul, Murphy Felix, Edo. No one can stop you from your land. No more water. Alone. So now. Sikoi ma wo de no kata ma wa no mu yo won de no ya wa bata we no awuwe ne na wa doga mania ije ka bi madaye ma we to woni ni so ije ma gba lo dogo go e marriage ni na we ma e ko marry ni yo ije e problem we the time when baba yeah Voici, yeah. Okay now. Ijo man go ye marriage. Owo bi ma ese. Ma ye marriage ni olowo. We azin we yo. Ade ninu pe ari yo be gbe awun ye be gbe kunu bi na wa dege yi. Awo je we na pa. But oba sikin we yo ba quiet. Man ni jeme wu man wu jeme na la amasa ba wai ijo han ari oton ijo han ari okunu we ti gbe ni ko ejo ni we lare ese imu eje ekinu ma expect mu eri wa gbe ka o hame adiana wari abi ari awon mo ama wo wari na wo wari abi so o ti ati pe fun egbe hello Queen, your doya. Hello. Where? If they don't know. Imagine ko je la madere o ma no ma finia go ari e galo de oyiwe wese dinu ata ade me majide ase that category egbuje ma la egbuje ya ase that category won na me wa send de kini ase de yi de kini ase de yi but what's up don't block me WhatsApp don't block if I finish now I'll give you let me download that. Okay, thank you. The WhatsApp me wa line wa. E wo te wo ni akole e ma ye ti dere. Okay. Okay now. Ya send the go. Mo wa gbo mi gun me ya download there ne. Gbo mi gun me. Now they hear the music. Huh? Oh, boom. Even new. Yeah, you. Even new. Yeah, you. I want to fly one now. It might new, might finish. So, a logo. There, they talk about that. They know that. Yeah, the ticket we know that. The winner sick man. If I will see why we go there. Hello. Good morning. How are you? Tell me something. I'm in. Where is this hotel? Because I changed hotel yesterday. You can come to Sangota. Let me give to them. I don't understand this hotel. If you want to come and see me, I'm not hiding. So you can come here.
Yes. When you get to that bridge, when you get to that one, is there any of other man that are going to Amak Tangani? Joko Fati, Joko. Yes, Amak Tangani. You can read it now. Yes, we some go. That on that bridge, ask for father that we are going to Amak Tangani, I don't know where you are. You get somewhere, ask Amak. Yes, but wait, you are going to Thailand from Ikeja. You can get someone from Ikeja. From Ikeja to someone to someone, yes, that means you are very close. Yes,
But we're saying, the way I could take comments.
Yes, after your father, yes.
If I eat Padania, I will change the food. Daddy say I should fresh. I fresh. I don't. Lagos too good though. Nigeria too fine. Just spend some days, some weeks, then you can come back. Up, President Jeff. Mirror. So Imadidikwa is on the way coming to my hotel. By 1 hour's time, Imadidikwa will be here. So, and then, so she's coming.
She said, maybe tomorrow she will come to church. We did put church. And it's very close.
Hello? Okay, it's very close to the church.
Yes.
Tomorrow?
Yes.
Tomorrow she's coming. Okay, no problem. Great social media president. Enemy, why am no buyer? If not any Emma, enemies, human trafficking, why am no buyer? Human trafficking. With a baby movie, hello? From Italy. Hello? So, we are not going. We are just working. If you are anywhere, I will give validly. So because of that, yeah, we were. Because you validly, you like to go you have drugs, and I know I'm at the end of the marriage, no way, matter not bad, no matter no time. So, on va ramener. Now we go no magba. ukpo we no pago we ya imi mani baba eniwu na do ma we gba na mi e ko tuna we gewe enu wewu wa ti we ne mi igbe ni ma so yin ya wu ya ri ogo na do ya wu ya yin ya but amani ogi yen edo awade wo no ko to ga de wa no ko to wa de awade wo na do ai mo amedo but ni mana me akugbe na ema akugbe ero adema ibe gbove gbumase mani bi edo ibe gbove gbumase iya wa dege igbe ni ma so yin na no mu na na yo na ni o dege we agbin yen ye we bo no gije e oriane so agbon ni eyi me ni wa awe me yin no okon na che gbe 100 ni e ni eyi be gwa gbon be gwa gbon re egbe na bet yo we social media president ri edo iginya to gbe ye igelege na social media president to re ne e kana e to re na mafo ne so iginya so wa gbe e so achieve no that way epa wese ni ma epa we mi go ni wa hit na we ni go almost 300 euro in our wese wa wa ri go here because e man open fail why I bet where me here in Nigeria ija we port yana mopa am I be money I want me wa Buhari do bogwan a German president ayegwegwan German chancellor ayegwegwan oyegwegwan oyemi oyefi go bonu ija eri wa mu wa ije me the food is ready. Daddy. Okay.
I got to be there. Our destiny cannot be in vain. We are there. That's a Bible 2019. Our constituency is going to shake.
See my leg.
So year 2019 is going to be different in Edo State. You are going to see our constituency, how we are going to modify it. That's our honorable. 2019, no shaking.
I love
all
you.
the Kogi and supported him. He's a free man. He is a free one. The Yoruba generation of this.
Ever water. You see how? Ever water.
That is how we enjoy our life in Canada.
That is how we enjoy.
Yugoslavia, UK, Germany, that is how you do.
Which government is this? When we fish here. When we fish here. Then we want to move away.
Don't mind any fucking people distributing money now. We are coming in a steady motion. We need project, not distributing money to deceive people's life.
Yeah. Hello. 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 Hello, Ika boy, Menta. Ika boy, I hope that water. Yeah, the water is cheap. The water is cheap. Give a bottle small now. Give a bottle. Give a bottle. Huh? Yeah, you like? Eh? Uma não sei.
Vai ali, cara.
Evelyn, I dey line. Greet now.
Yes, greet now.
That's Evelyn. Jama Base. Yeah. Yeah, Jama Base millionaire. Hey, power. You the place, eh? You dey do somebody else? Eh? Your baby? Oh, wow. Oh, I could win a me too. Hey! Me, I talk to you. Everyone. I dey come see you for Germany. Where is it for Germany? Which area? Okay, come. Everybody, you have the tour. Come, okay. Camp where you are. Only a city where you are. Abi? Okay. Other doctor. You where we can make you value? Okay. Ama yare ya do mi owe ma ya drive do mi owe ma okay yeah hello yes brothers and sisters come and eat with social media president. Let's eat together. Yeah
You forget that here.
Mary Osas. Agent of devil. Mary Osas is an agent of devil. Mary Osas too. Gallant. You see her? Agent of devil. Fake Facebook. Those agents of devil have to be deleted. You not progress. You don't want other people to progress. If they are abroad for many years, you don't get paper. Shame. It is pain now. Say, hey, this man in Nigeria. Sweet baby, my darling. Sweet baby, my love.
No, the man I take is there with me and they follow me the talk.
If you are funny, enjoy yourself.
Wait me alone.
You know got
Now we're not the power. They're back and I want to
But Marina,
what do I want to do? I want to back. It's in a card, Now when they go past when you call it go. When I want to pray, you know, but I want to see the card.
Why wouldn't go pay away? Why did you take card now? Why didn't I?
Why do you
know? No, I will pay.
I don't know what they do. The investment here.
Because the DM now there. Yeah, beef in the night in here. Master Now you are the turn the car for. Now you.
Hello? Don't call me. Huh? What is it?
If you pass, so me I don't follow any job of any. When I jump, it talk away. Malaka, when I'm a mag when I'm.
Oh, I don't know how you can
Lo siamo qua You see? Now I see how whether I don't finish them. You say you know they eat again. You say you don't like the food, you don't like the rice. You guys say the rice too dumb. It's too dumb. All this Niger baby, they trip for a pan now. Yeah. A pie must say. Epamade answer. Epaimosi. 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 Find an answer man. Why you here, man? I'm gonna work money now. Why that money, why you do it? You take comment on it, do it. You fine, Joe. Thank you. Huh? Eh? Huh? Eh? Eh? Enemy. Well, we make our enemy. I'm going to guess you back. Enemy. I'm going to guess you back. Yeah, lay, I will guess lay. Lay. Yeah, lay. I guess lay. Yeah, lay. My amigo, you're going to tell the ticket in you are. Yeah, lay. Avec guess you have to be a good beer. Hello. What ye? Sabo de Bower, you know. A new tea, I'm a boy. A boy, I am. Gladys on my land. Come, do you? Yes. Then we did then we the first week of November. I will tell you one year to a day. What time I wear 5. My Yadumujay Kohel. Yadumujay Kohel. Yadumujay, come on, Yadumujay Kohel. Ma, so far we Jimmy. You see. Let me why now? Medieval live video with one. What's a G? What's a Sabbath power? Okay now. Okay. You know? Hey, see music. Well done, yo. Mama, enemy. So, thank you all, brothers and sisters. This is social media president, Eddie Murphy Worldwide. Eddie Murphy is not shaking. I have almost 30 Nigerians yesterday just to go home because I don't want the situation where woman will be make an outcry for herself. For public is not a good thing. So I'm here to defend the women all over the world. Epa one. Joe, there ni mo se. Ìmọ̀nà ọgbọ́n mi yẹn yàn. Ìmọ̀nà do spa màá yẹn yàn. Wọ́n yà lulẹ̀ ọ̀sẹ̀ ọ̀gbọ́n wọ́n gbé gbàlọ̀ sẹ̀ ní ẹ̀dẹ̀mọ̀sẹ̀. Hello? Afternoon, how are you? Okay, your sister give you my number. Okay. You tell me something.
5 minutes. You know why you are winning 2-1. Everything 2-1.
Hello? Hello? Congratulations. Wà bóyá bùnà. Mẹ́rìnlá yá. Okay, mama. Congratulations. Owe period in Sakwa. Owe period in Pekwa. So, congratulations.
Oh, God.
Hello. 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 Yeah. Where's you? Yeah. Yeah. Ẹ jẹ́ àyà màá yé. Yeah, yeah. Okay, come on, go on now. I understand. Mama. Sister. That way, take what you buy now. I don't buy corn and I will bring up. So, and when you get to me, I will nanny, I will concern it, and then a book will really go beginner. But if you would end that way, you make a soon down or walk or see it. But to make a wow, a dog, a banana, one dog. Also, what? When you go, or what if it does that logo? Where we Thomas to be, but do it when I am to. Then I will like a Okuna. We are in a logo. So, anyway, so Jack again, a mouth. Come away, away, coffee, my do. The Guaberma. Yeah. No, good question, man. If I go up my phone, we can't be my do the Guaberma. You wouldn't. Ah, wow. Okay, okay, we not in no talk. Okay, well, my marriage. We're going to call you and we're going to be in our marriage. There you know. Yeah, but then, the Kuno, well, why are you with your way? We do with my own banner. I don't know where. When I had this way, you can't be anywhere. I mean, hey, no. Enemy of progress, Wakuyo. So, enemy of progress, Norimana. I'm here who will get to the program, except to cut deleted boring. Now, when I deleted boring, enemy of progress in order. No more than I know. Nature Bonwell. But if no, a one of your was it. Oh, walk it down there, we'll walk it down. A Bonwell. Oh, what? A one of mamma, everybody, you know, can't there. Right there, one in it. Why you come no master your water? You don't have, you know, you know, manager. You know, Kaka, you put Kayo. And I get no, sir, you don't retire. Now, no, no, that was so your water. Okay, I won't know that was it. We are water. Okay, I won't, I have one way. I turn all like but I feel I know. Enjoyment. That is Musi wise. Monomo. Adere magmo. Okay, bye bye.